Hello and welcome to Sherry Vans, Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. Sherry Vans is actually our website. That's SHERRYVANS.com. If you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit, please visit that website. We'll have over 50 pictures of the specific unit. Also, if you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you're assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Today, guys, this is an extremely special unit. 2019 GMC Savannah Explorer Limited SE with every bell and whistle on it, including four-wheel drive, guys. Yes, I said it right. A low-top conversion van with four-wheel drive, guys. This is a very, very hard vehicle to find, and with extremely low miles of just over 13,000 miles on this vehicle, it is a must-see. And as you can see, this is completely blacked out from the front all the way around this vehicle. There's not one scratch on this, one blemish. It is in perfect condition. Starting with the rims, it does have the upgraded factory rims, as you can see, and like I said earlier, everything is blacked out. Michelin tires, and as you can imagine, with 13,000 miles on it, they're basically brand new. All the badging on this from the Limited SE, which is your top of the line when it comes to Explorer, everything's blacked out. And like I said, it is a low top conversion van. Moving on to the back, you do have your backup sensors along with your upgraded backup or your upgraded rear bumper, as you can see there. Everything's painted to match. Trailer tow package with your 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup. Also on the rear of the vehicle, you do have a factory backup camera located right here. And just like up front with the Limited SE, you got your Explorer 4-wheel drive logo right here on each side of the back of this van. And like I was saying earlier, everything is blacked out, including all the badging. As you can see, when I open this rear door to get into the back of the van, we do have a power step-up bar that does pop out, and when we do shut the door, it'll automatically go back up. 7-passenger configuration, and what you're going to get with this 7-passenger configuration conversion van, you're going to get one row of captain's chairs along with a rear power bench that can accommodate up to 3 people. And back here in the back along the side of this bench, you're going to notice there's multiple cup holders, USB plugs along the side, so plenty of stuff to entertain all your passengers inside this vehicle. Up top on the ceiling throughout, you're going to notice along the side, you do have all these little black circles. That is for your rear heat and AC. All your AC and heat will blow right through them vents that are located all the way through the back of this van. Also in the center right here, we have a nice little lighting system. Every little spot has their own individual reading lights, as you can see here, that runs along the ceiling. And then we also do have surround sound up in the ceiling too. Right in between the captain's chairs, we do have a flip down TV right here. And that can be operated through the Blu-ray player, which is located in between the driver and passenger seat right here. We do have also USB plugs right here for your passenger, as far as your captain's chairs passengers. We also do have a game port plug, a 12-volt plug, HDMI, and this is how you're going to turn your rear speakers on. And with this center console that's built in between the driver and passenger seat up front, there is 2 cup holders on top and a nice small little cooler built into it also. Moving on to the front of this vehicle does have power seats for both the front and the passenger. Both of these seats are heated. Both of these seats do have power lumbar, so they're fully loaded up front when it comes to all the accommodations that you're looking for in any vehicle. Very nice touchscreen radio, as you can see here. It does have factory navigation that's from the manufacturer, built right into this vehicle. Right above that, you're going to have all your front AC and heat system located right there. And then your rear AC and heat system can be operated right up top here in between the driver and passenger seat. And then right behind that, we do have a really nice power sunroof. On the steering wheel, we do have all your cruise control settings on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side, we have all your audio settings. And you do have the capability with these 2 buttons right here to sync your cell phone directly into this vehicle. That way you can carry on the conversation if you have a phone call coming through by simply hitting the button right through your speaker system. There's no need to reach for your cell phone anymore. One of the biggest features that I did mention outside is this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. And as you can see right here, it's all turnkey. So right now we are in 2-wheel drive high. There's also a 4 high for 4-wheel drive high, and then a 4-wheel drive low setting right there. Guys, this is a very hard vehicle to find in the country when it comes to 4-wheel drive conversion vans. We are one of the largest conversion van dealers in the country. We do have the guaranteed best price on all of our new and pre-owned conversion vans nationwide. And most importantly, guys, we ship all of our conversions directly to your home. So if you're looking, no matter where you're located in the country, don't worry about that. We can handle all the all the paperwork via mail, and then we can have this vehicle literally put in your driveway for you. You never have to leave the comfort of your home. Once again, 2019 low top conversion vans, the GMC chassis, Explorer Limited SC 4-wheel drive, completely blacked out with all the bells and whistles inside, from a power rear bench to a rear TV in the back, navigation up front, rear heat and AC, and much, much more. This vehicle is located at Sherry Vans, sherryvans.com. That's SHERRYVANS. Also, if you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot.